If you think that the font styles that you are using on your websites are too ugly and you want to change it into something beautiful, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to teach you how to copy fonts used by other WordPress websites. With that said, let's close this one and let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to close this one first, wait for a while. So what I'm going to do, actually the first thing that we want to do now is to just head over to google.com, okay, because actually what we are going to do is to add an extension, a kind of extension that that we can use to change to copy fonts from different websites. So the name of the extension, the tool that we are going to use, it's a web browser tool. Actually it's an extension for Firefox or Chrome. If you want to use Google Chrome, then that's your choice, you can do it so. But for me, I am using right now a Firefox web browser. So I'm going to search for what font for Firefox, since I'm using Firefox right now. Oh, okay, here it is. I am going to pull this one up on a different tab, and here we go. Once it's pulled up, what you're going to do next is just add this extension to the Firefox web browser. Once it's completely installed and activated, then that's the time that you can copy fonts from different websites. So by clicking OK, I got it, and okay, that's it. It's already completely activated. So that's an icon for the what font extension. The next step that we are going to do now is to just head over to, so we can search for a website with fonts that we want to copy from. But for me, for the sake of this example, I'm going to use this website, this 10beast.com, okay? And here is the article, and the article is all about webcam, okay? It's a technology blog. So let's say, for example, I want this font. I want to copy the font that this guy is using. So how am I going to copy this font in here? It's very easy. Just click on what font icon or what font tool, which is located on the upper right corner of your window. Just click on it, and then once it's clicked, once you hover over to a font that you want to copy, it will show up a detail of what kind of font this website is using. And if you want to click on a specific font, let's say for example I'm going to click this one, the complete details of the font style will be showing up. That's the dialog box of the details of the font style, okay? So it says in here in the details that this font is Open Sans. The size is 400, or the font size is 16px, and the font line height is 26px, okay? Everything is already showing up on the dialog box. So the next step we are going to do is, since we already know the kind of font style together with the size and all the details we need to know, we need to head over we need to go to our website and implement this kind of font that we have copied. So to implement this font, we need to, on my end, since I am using a subdomain, and the theme that I am using here on my subdomain is just a free theme, and there is no typography option. So that means to say the feature of my theme is limited. So for me to change the font style of my website, I am going to use a plugin, okay? Let's click on add new plugin, and the name of the plugin that I am going to use is WP Google Fonts, and that's the one that I'm going to use. Here it is. This is the thumbnail. This is WP Google Fonts by Noah Kagan. Just install and activate it. Once it's activated, then we can use it. We can just right away change the font of our website. Okay, it's already activated, and here is the plugin. It's already functional. You only need to click on this plugin. Once it's clicked, here is the dashboard of the plugin, okay? What you want to do in here is just you can change your font style by using the font number 1, okay? there's no need for you actually to do something under font 2 or font 3, okay? But if in case the font 1 is not available or malfunctioning, so the font 2 will take effect, okay? But on our end, there's no need for us to do that actually. So we are going to use Open Sans, and the size is 16px and the line height is 26. So it's Open Sans. We are going to type in Open Sans. Let me check the Open Sans in here. Okay, here it is. It's Open Sans and it's normal. The size is normal, and since I'm going to implement this on my paragraphs, then I will need to click on paragraph. But if you want to implement this on your headline or heading 1 or heading 2 or 3, or you can just click everything in here if you want the Open Sans to be taking effect on all of this contents of your website, okay? So, but for me, I'll just going to implement this Open Sans font style on every paragraphs of my website. So I'll just click on paragraph once the radio button is checked, and once the size, which is normal, is checked, then that's it. I'm going to just click on Save All Fonts. There's no need for you to change anything under number 4, which is choose character sets you want. So that's Latin. There's no need for you to change that. That's the default. Just click on Save. Once it's saved, that's it. That's all there is to it that you need to do. And we will just need to double check to see if the font is already activated on each paragraph that we have here. Let me just double check first. Okay, it's already, I think it's already functioning. Let me check. Okay, it's already Open Sans. So that's how easy it is for you to change the font or the font styles of your website. So I think you have learned something from this video, and if you think that this is useful for others as well, please share this with others, and please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, okay? So that's all there is to it for today, and goodbye.